Hi friends, my name is Yash and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video topic is how to install SonarQube in EC2 instance. So let's start the video. So first of all, I will open my AWS account. So this is my AWS account and I already created one EC2 instance. Okay, this is the EC2 instance. So I will click here and I select this T3 medium instance, okay, not T3 micro instance, because the T3 medium instance gives us 4 GB of RAM and SonarQube needs more memory to install. Okay, so it is a better instance type for SonarQube. Okay, so I select this T3 medium and I will click here. I will click here and connect this my EC2 instance with my terminal. Okay, copy this command, paste it here. Copy this command for SSH purpose, so copy it and paste it here. Yes, and this is our EC2 instance, Amazon Linux. Okay, so and these are all the commands to need to install the SonarQube. Okay, so first of all, copy this command, paste it here. Now I become a root user of this EC2 instance. Okay, so copy this command, paste it here. Copy this command. Now this command will install our Java. Okay, so it will install our Java. I say yes. Now we want to see the Java version. So copy this command and paste it here. So Java is 1.8.0. Okay. Now copy this command. This command will be install our unzip property of our Amazon Linux. Okay. Copy this command to unzip the SonarQube distribution. This is some zip file. Okay, so we want to download this command will install this SonarQube zip file. Okay, so we want to unzip this file, so this command will unzip this our zip file. Okay, okay, done. So here is written not SonarQube server will not run with a root user. Okay, so we want to add some user, we want to create some new user. Okay, so this command will get some new user. Okay, now copy this command, paste it here, click I to insert the command. Okay, now copy these two commands and now click on escape key, WQ and okay, click enter. Now copy this command, paste it here, copy this command and paste it here. Now we are a Sonar user. Okay, now we are Sonar user, not root user. copy this command, paste it here. SS sonar start. This command will start our SonarQube. Okay, sonar server. So copy this command and paste it here. Starting SonarQube, start a SonarQube. Okay, so we want to see the status of SonarQube, so copy this command and paste it here. Now SonarQube is running. Okay, this is on running state. Okay, sonar server runs on 9,000 volt. Okay, so I minimize this and click on instance. Copy this and paste it here, 9,000 port. We cancel this and I want to make some changes in the security group, so edit this mount rules. I want to add one 9,000 port and 00. Save the rules, click on issue, copy the public IP. Now our SonarQube is open. Okay, now SonarQube is running successfully. So we want to log in here. Give any login and password, but I give admin and admin. Click on login. Okay, so this is the way to install the SonarQube in EC2 instance on especially Amazon Linux. Okay, so that was it for today's video. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and I will give this whole command list to in my description box. Okay, so you can use this command to install the SonarQube. And that's it for today. I will see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.